All right, guys, we're back, and of course, you know, nice. And by the sound of it and by the looks of it, if you know we're on a parking garage, we're probably gonna be adding something to my car. So this video is basically gonna consist of an accessory that's not necessarily needed, but just looks cool in my opinion, so I decided to add it. It doesn't really add much function to your car at all, so yeah, you really don't have to buy this, but I got it for pretty cheap. Links down below if you wanna cop it. Basically what I'm telling you to cop without, you know, actually telling you what it is pedals for my car. And I am talking about the foot pedals. These feel pretty good quality. Okay, oh. Feel pretty good quality. I think I only paid like $15, $16 for them, so they're not that bad of a price. And in my opinion, these look way better than the plain black ones. I'll show y'all a video what those look like before I take them off, but these definitely look way better. As you can tell, there's really not much to these pedals. They're kind of, they're just kind of basic and plain. I mean, they're just plastic. I mean, these are aluminum, or are they plastic? I don't know. Plastic? They might be plastic, but hey, they look shiny. And I'm actually gonna get y'all a POV shot. Sounds foul, but we're gonna get a POV shot of me putting this in. I got my Insta360. I'm sorry for the honking, it's just so annoying. All right, so this is the product on Amazon. As you can see, it's non-slip. It should be non-slip at least. And this is the before and after of what it would look like if you replace it with the black ones. And of course it disappears on me, but yeah, it's just rubber on the back. Should just slip on very easily. And as you can see, you gotta remove the original cover, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I don't really know how this is supposed to be taken off. I assume you just kind of pull it off the same way you would put it on. Yeah. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Got part of it off. All right, and now it's just a piece of metal. That was a little difficult, but not too bad. All right, let's go ahead and put the replacement on. And as you can tell on Amazon, it shows you how to put it on. So if you're still kind of confused and you want a picture, just look at Amazon. But basically, you pull out the rubber on both sides and enter from the top to the bottom for the brake pedal. So let's go ahead and pull from the sides, top to bottom, and this might actually go on pretty easy. Yeah, that was easy. Yeah, there you go. And it looks like it's not moving, the whole pedal's moving. Okay, I was a little confused at first because this shows that, you know, both pedals are on, but it looks like it has two pedals, but there's not actually a pedal cover on this one. Basically, this just slips over the pedal itself. All right, this one's gonna be a little bit harder, I think. Pull it from both sides. I gotta take the Apple Watch off. Okay, let's pull it from both sides. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is gonna be hard. Maybe I should go from right to left. There's like little flaps for you to grab, which kind of help. Come on, we almost there. No. Okay, this one might be a little harder. You have bigger hands, this is definitely gonna be hard for you to do. I'm so sorry if the angle's all crooked. Let me just give y'all this view. All right, I took the hat off. Let's try to get it on again. Okay, I feel like it flaps over. Nope. The bottom is it all the way in? It's kind of hard to tell. Nah, bottom is definitely not all the way in. Now it is. Okay, the bottom. All right, the bottom, now pull the slides. Okay, got one side over. I'm not gonna lie, this is a workout. I did see reviews saying that this pedal was harder, so it's not really a surprise, but dang. I said it took muscle, but I didn't know I had to use every single one I had in my body. All right, I think we got it on. Okay, so I got it like 80% on. I just gotta get the top part over. It's gonna take some muscle. I mean, really I could leave it, but I don't want to leave this and it gets stuck, and then, you know, bad things. I feel it. It's about to pop in. It's like almost there. I got the right side on. It's just left side. Oh wait, it's on. Oh, I got it. I didn't realize it popped in. Okay, so, okay, yeah, now it's all the way on. Perfect. All right. That was a struggle, but in my opinion, the new pedals do look a lot better. They're a lot sharper. They're black, but they're not this like thick plastic black. It's like a shiny black. So Those look good. All right, I'm gonna show you with this camera so you don't get the other camera because the quality is definitely not as good as this camera is. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. And if you're thinking about buying a Tesla, go ahead and use my referral link down below. You get a lot of money off, and I get some money for these videos where I can buy, things off the Tesla shop, make videos on them. And I have actually bought a couple things that I have coming in that I'm gonna add to the car. I'm kind of excited for those. Well, one of them's getting added to the car. The other one's just something cool that I bought, but it's definitely gonna be cool to see on the video because they were sold out for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and step back inside the car because the wind's kicking. But also, if you like the way the pedal covers look, go ahead and cop them down below. The link is an affiliate link, so I'll get a little kickback, helps make more videos like this. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.